Alrighty guys, it's Sunday, November the 5th or 6th I think, or something like that. For us in Canada here, it's Remembrance Day on Friday coming up. But anywho, you guys remember this thing here, the Tecumseh Motor Tear. Did a video a little ways back, and you guys saw how much blow by there was and everything. And well, I'm gonna unmount this motor, and I'm gonna take it off. I already got the fuel tank off. I've already drained the gas. It might still fire up with what's left in the bowl. I can try. Let's see here, give her a couple primes. It might still fire with what's left in the bowl. Let me just clamp that safety bullshit. Scripts. Alright, safety's been clamped. And she might still fire what's left in the bowl, so give her a shot. Not gonna give her any ether. Let's do this. No, I think she's done. I'll give her some ether. Fuck it. Pretty well blown anyways. We're gonna get our new lawnmower next year. I just want to see if it still runs like a bag of shit. And so far, since it's not starting, it still is. Alright. You guys can hear that. Just shows you how much little compression there is. Let's do this instead. Ow. I got a little bit of gas here. I'll just... Woohoo! Oh, is the intake broken? What the hell? All that gas is coming out of the fucking bottom of the bowl. Alright. Let's try this again. I haven't checked the oil in this thing in fucking a week because I've been deliberately trying to blow it up. Well, as you guys can see, she still runs. She still doesn't want to fucking blow up, though. Let's see down here in the oil department. Let's see here. How low is she? Oh yeah, she's fairly low. You can see that line there. She's supposed to be up to the top of that. Supposed to be up to the top of there. And she's not even fucking close. It's like empty. Like I said, I've been trying to blow this bitch up for like the past 3 fucking weeks. She doesn't want to go. So... oh, go to hell. So I'm going to take this cover off, flip her over, snap the blade off, and unmount this motor. I'll just set her over here on one of these speakers or something, and I'll start taking her apart. I might just I'll just toss her off on the damn ground, and I'll start taking her apart, and we'll see how bad she is. Okay, guys, I just want to point out here, this blade is fucking shot, and I haven't cleaned the underneath of this deck in months. I think I cleaned it at the start of the season, start of summer, briefly cleaned it real quick, and fucking, yeah, maybe that's why I was having issues cutting the grass. I'm thinking maybe that's why, eh? But you know, thinking about it, since there's all this grass here, this deck should actually have absolutely no rust on it. It should be completely 100% solid. So, anywho, I'm going to whip this blade off. Oh, come on, get on there. Fuck you. Where the hell did that bitch go? It's fucking November, and there's still bees out here. Where the hell did that bitch go? Because I nailed it. I nailed it. I hope the fucker dies in hell. Anyways, back to business. Get out of there. Okay. That plate out of there. Blades off. Yeah, she was pretty worn down, I'd say. Yeah, I'd have to say she was pretty worn down. So, now it's just a matter of cleaning this shit off so I can get to the bolts that hold the motor to the deck. And there's apparently only two, because there's the third one, but it's missing. Awesome. Alright, so they look like to be the same size. No, they're smaller. Alright, no big deal. So I'll pop this deck off and see what we can get into. Okay, I'm gonna keep this spark plug here because I bought this brand new beginning of the year. Let's take a look on how nasty that is. Keep in mind, this is only for one freaking season. Like, that is brutal. That's so dirty. Oh my god. Alright, so we're going to pop this flywheel off. I've already got the magneto off. I am going to keep the magneto. That guy over there. It's still in perfect working order. Nothing wrong with it whatsoever. So, we'll just... Oh, you know what I forgot to do? Turn back on that compressor. Alright. Look out. Oh! Perfect. Nut, the washer. That guy out of there. Now, a lot of these guys lose these damn keys down in here. There's a little key down there. A lot of these guys fucking lose them. So I'm not going to do that. I'm going to come over here with my hammer. Well, actually, I'm going to take the rest of this carb shit off. Get the exhaust pipe out of the way. And then come pop this flywheel off. And we'll get the points. We'll take the points cover off, see how bad they are. Alright, I wanted to let you guys hear this right quick before I pop this flywheel off. Coming out of this tube right here. Also, just so you know, I should not be able to spin this flywheel this easily. There's like fuck all for compression, so we'll just pop that off. Toss that aside. All the fins and everything are still in perfect condition. There's nothing wrong with the flywheel, so eBay. Pop this key off and oh, I forgot. This motor doesn't have any points. My bad. Anyways, I'll pop this keyway out of here, and then I'll take this. The motor is already loose off the deck, as you guys can see. But I'll take this over, drain what oil is in it out, and we'll pop the crankcase open. Holy fuck. Holy shit. God damn. There's the mower deck with no motor, and there's what's left of the motor. Oh my god, this thing was so screwed. It was ridiculous. It was the first time ever I actually had to use an air hammer to separate the block from the oil pan. In doing so, it's got a nice groove inside of the block now. There's a substantial chunk missing from the oil pan, and there's a piece of the oil pan. It's actually seized onto the crankshaft. It will not come off. I tried to use my air hammer to pull it off. It will not come off. So that's trash anyways. The bore of the block is screwed. There is so much scarring in this thing, it is ridiculous. There's the intake and exhaust valves. They are, wow, you've seen it yourself. I never bothered taking the cover off. It's pointless. Here's the piston. Look at the fucking thing. Look at that. That's the top of the piston. I pulled the head off and I saw that and I was going, holy fuck. That's the worst piston I've ever seen. Including car motors, that's still the worst piston I've ever seen. Oh god, here are the those are the lifters for the valves there. They're actually not too bad. They're still in decent shape. The head is still in perfect shape. Where's the head? Where did I put the head? There's the head. Like, the head's still in perfect shape. It's just a little carboned up there, but that's alright. Nothing a wire wheel can't take care of and eBay will solve. And here's the head gasket. I'm actually quite surprised. I was expecting the head gasket to actually be broke. I was expecting it to be broke or something, but it's not. It's surprisingly in decent condition. Minus right there. You can see it actually is blown. But other than that, it's still in one piece, so I was kind of surprised. All the contact surfaces, the bearings and everything, they're all screwed. There's the camshaft and the cam gear. All the teeth are still there. Still in decent shape. Damn, somebody's smoking something good. Still in decent shape. Whatever. It's all going into the damn garbage. But there's the teardown of her. And that's all that's left. I'll tell you though. I said it before and I'll say it again. I may not like the Tecumseh, but that was one Vantage. I tell you. 3.5 horse Vantage. Man. Well, oh yeah, and this is screwed anyways, because as you guys can see, fucking ripcord's been broken for months. She's been broken for months. And like I was expecting, the deck itself is in remarkably good condition because of there being so much grass underneath here, or grass shavings, whatever. I walked inside and Dad said I got to put it back together. I said it's not happening. There's a hole in the damn block, and actually there was a hole in the pan too. Before I got the motor off, I should have showed you guys, but yeah, before I got the motor off, there was actually a hole in the pan. So I was actually very surprised. You know, we've had this lawnmower for, oh god, 6-7 years now. And I ran it for about a month straight without checking the oil. I was deliberately trying to blow it up, but she just fucking wouldn't blow. I don't know why. It's just like it knew what I was trying to do and it didn't want to do nothing. So I don't know, maybe I'll sell this deck. Clean it up and fucking sell it. Make some money off of a free lawnmower. Oh my god, it's even all up in the chute and everything. Oh, up in the chute. There we go. Hope if I aim the camera at the damn, what I'm doing here. But yeah, maybe I'll just take my wire wheel and fucking put my safety glasses on and go have at her. Go nuts. Peel all the damn grass and shit off and fucking... I can tell you one thing though, I got one hell of a mess to clean up. When I get my car in here and clean the bitch, it's fucking filthy. Anyways, guys, there's the video for today. I know I haven't put up a lot lately, but I have been so busy. It is ridiculous. With the work and everything, and fuck, haven't had time to make any tube videos. I'm kind of disappointed. I've been watching them, and just haven't had time to do them. I've decided I'm not gonna do the Windows 8 review, mainly because there is like so many other people out there that have done them. PC WizKid, he's done one. There's numerous other people out there that have already done reviews on the Windows 8. Like, my opinion is it's a Windows 7 phone in your computer. And you know what? I don't really like the whole Windows 7 phone thing. I don't know. I don't like how they did it or anything. So, you know, this operating system, the Windows 8, was mainly designed around an all-in-one touchscreen computer. So I'm not going to worry about it. But anyways, I have all that to clean up. And I'm thinking about going inside and grabbing a beer. Those are empties. I got to take those back. But I got some beer in the house. So you know what? Alexander, I'm thinking it's time. I'm going to wheel that thing in here and clean her up. I got to take the fucking CB out of it too. So I might do that. Oh yeah, custom back panel.